Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sakshi and in today's tutorial we will see the environment setup. In the last lecture we have already discussed about the how to create the Azure setup, free trial account and how to create the budgets. So in today's tutorial we will learn about the Databricks workspace, how to create the data lake storage and we will walk through the Databricks UI. This is the Azure portal. So let's create Databricks workspace. If you want to create any resources, you can click on create resource and you can type name. So here we'll type Azure Databricks. You can see here. So we will click on the create Azure Databricks service. Name project Databricks. Click on OK. Then you can see here we have to give the workspace name. So we will give the workspace name. Here pricing tier. So you can see there are the multiple options: standard, premium and trial. So if you select the trial, you will get the premium services only for the 40 days. Then in the standard you can see Apache Spark secure with the Microsoft Entra ID and the premier role based access control. So let me show you what the difference between the standard, premium and trial pricing. So here on the Azure Databricks pricing you can see the difference. Here is the standard tier features, premium tier features and pay as you go. This is the features. So if you select the premium tier prices, you will get all the services whatever showing here. So in this Databricks tutorial or in this Databricks playlist, we will also cover the Unity catalog, or we will deal the Unity catalog. That's why we are using here premium tier prices. Take the premier tier prices. Then you can see the manage resource group name. So manage resource group name is showing here because whenever we want to create the cluster, so it is going to create the virtual machines or the cluster. So everything will create under this manage resource group name. If you are not define any group name here, then it will create any random name. Then we will create on next. So we will not do anything here. So in the real time, if you want to use the virtual network VNet, then you can simply click on S, or you can select the S here. In the encryption, we will not do here. We'll keep everything as it is in tags. Then just click on review and create. So you can see validation succeeded. Click on create. So it is in the deployment process. So you can see deployment is in progress. Subscription is free trial. Our resource group is project Databricks. So you can see here dev Databricks resource is created. So it is still in deployment progress, so it will take some time. So you can see here development is completed. Now click on go to resources and click on launch workspace. So you can see Databricks workspace has been created. Azure Data Lake Storage. So you can see the options are available here, storage account. So just click on storage account, then click on create. You can see subscription free trial. Resource group we can select from here drop down. The project Databricks is our resource name. Then storage account name we have to give here. We'll give Databricks stage day. Then region we will keep this as it is. and we'll select here standard for the learning purpose. Then in the redundancy, we will select the locally redundant storage. This is for the lowest cost option. Then click on next. So always remember guys, you can see here the option enable hierarchical namespace. So it should be always enable. Why it should be always enable? Because if we are not enable, then it will create the blob storage. Simply click on review and create. So validation in progress. Click on create. So you can see deployment is in progress. So deployment is completed. Click on go to resources. So you can see data lake storage is created. You can see the status here, it is succeeded. So on the home page, you can see the Databricks dev there, storage account, Azure Databricks service is there, resource group are there. So if you click on dev Databricks, then you are able to see the URL, pricing tier, every details. Now let's talk about the Databricks UI. So this is the Databricks UI, this is the home page, and this is our dev Databricks workspace. You can see here, if you click on the workspace, you can able to see the users who are having the access of this particular workspace. Then there are multiple options: workspace, catalog, workflow, compute. If you click on new, there are a lot of options are available. So in the catalog, if you talk about the catalog, it is used for managing the database table and the metadata, and compute is likely related to the cluster management. So it is a group of virtual machines that work together to run the data processing tasks using the Apache Spark. Then in SQL, you can see it is include the SQL editor, queries, dashboard, alerts, query history, SQL warehouse. Then catalog view. In data engineering, you can see the job runs, data ingestion is there, data live tables. So the job runs is the mechanism for running code in Azure Databricks. Then you can see if we click on new and notebook, then notebook is the web-based interface to the document containing the series of runnable cells. So you can see there are multiple languages are available. There are total 5 languages are available: Markdown, Python, SQL, Scala and R. So in the next lecture, we will see these all the details or all the components one by one. If you want the free trial or the free lifetime Databricks services, then you can also open the community edition of the Databricks. It is same looks like the Databricks, Azure Databricks. You can see here workspace is available, catalog, workflows, compute is there. Then if you click on new, you can able to see notebook, table, cluster. So you can do the same things from here also, community cloud databricks.com. So thank you for watching this video. Keep growing and learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Data Toolkit. Thank you.